Hi, I'm Shandra Spear with the Assistive Work Technology Department. Thanks for joining me for some tech tips. There are two ways that you can access Microsoft Teams. The first way is if you have the program locally installed on your computer, and the second way is if you access it online from the Office 365 website. So how do you know if you have Teams installed on your computer? Well, the first thing you can do is go down to your search menu. Your search menu is the magnifying glass in the lower left. So if you click there and you start typing the word Teams, you can see I only typed TE and already the Microsoft Teams app shows up as installed on my computer. And then I can click it to open it and it will launch Teams. Okay? The second way that you can see if you have Teams on your computer is to go to the Windows icon in your lower left and look at your program list. Now, you would think that it would be under T for Teams, but it's not. It's under M for Microsoft Teams, right here. So both of these ways show that I have Teams installed on my computer. Hope that helped.